Welcome back. In this video, we will take an AWS scenario to learn about the Sqs Fifo queue. So, let's say you are establishing a monitoring solution for desktop systems. The desktop systems will be sending telemetry data into AWS every 1 minute, and data for each system must be processed in order, independently, and you would like to scale the number of consumers to be possibly equal to the number of desktop systems that are being monitored. So what do you recommend? Of course, we recommend the Sqs Fifo queue, and we make sure that the telemetry data is sent with a group ID attribute representing the value of the desktop ID. Amazon Simple Queue Service (SQS) is a fully managed messaging queuing service that enables you to decouple and scale microservices, distributed systems, and serverless applications. SQS offers two types of message queue. The first is the standard message queue, and the second is the FIFO queue. The standard queues offer maximum throughput, best effort ordering, and at least once delivery. That means the standard queues cannot be used in our scenario because an SQS standard queue has no ordering capability. SQS Fifo, on the other hand, Fifo queues are designed to guarantee that messages are processed exactly once in the exact order that they are sent. We therefore need to use an Sqs Fifo queue in our scenario. If we do not specify a group ID attribute, then all the messages are in absolute order, but we can only have one consumer at most. So we will only have one consumer if we do not specify the group ID attribute. In order to allow multiple consumers to read data for each desktop application and to scale the number of consumers, what should we do? We should use the group ID attribute. What about using a Kinesis data stream, and we send the telemetry data with a partition ID that uses the value of the desktop ID? Well, Amazon Kinesis data stream is a massively scalable and durable real-time data streaming service. KDS, Kinesis data stream, can continuously capture gigabytes of data per second from hundreds of thousands of sources such as website click streams, database event streams, financial transactions, social media feeds, IT logs, and location tracking events. A Kinesis data stream would give us the data for each desktop application within shards, so the solution partially works. But what is the problem? The problem is, let's explain first what a shard is. A shard has a sequence of data records in a stream. It serves as a base throughput unit of a Kinesis data stream. So it is a working unit in Kinesis data stream. But the problem is that we can only have as many consumers as shards in Kinesis, which is in practice much less than the number of producers that we have. So for this reason, we do not use Kinesis data stream, but we use the Sqs Fifo queue, which is the right option for our scenario. That was all on about this scenario on Sqs Fifo queue. I hope you like it and see you in the next video.